welcome back. It's Susan Johnson, and today I have a little activity for you utilizing my book, Shapes and Colors, Put Them Together. So in this book, it's semi-story book because you're using some shapes that are certain colors, and when you put them all together, they create something at the end, and there's a little extra activity in there and suggestions. And one of them is using some Play-Doh or clay to practice making your shapes. So if you have a little one at home and you want them to practice over and over doing the shapes, and they can change the colors, they don't have to follow the format of my book. They can choose whichever one they want to create what they want in the end. So you could switch up the colors for the Play-Doh. These are just some instructions. Let me see if I can find another one, like the red square. So definitely I picked two colors that I liked. And I have my shapes written out. So if you have a little learner that is learning how to do their shapes, you might want to draw it out for them and then have them create those shapes using the clay or Play-Doh. And they can make it on the outline of the shape, like I'm doing with this square. Let's see if we can create some. I love blues. Almost every shade of blue is my favorite. So you will see I love blue. And you know, it could be as easy or as complicated as you want for them, especially depending on their skill level, their motor skills, and what they're able to do with their hands. But I love working with Play-Doh. It's so soft. All right, so now I've made my square just on the outline. So let's say you say, okay, now another skill, practicing filling in the shape. So maybe I want to do my circle. They have to know that they may need a little more clay, or is this just the right amount, measuring to see if it matches the size that you have drawn out. And they can play with it to make it fit. Now, nothing has to be perfect. As you can see, my circle is trying, and I feel like I need a little bit more. So trial and error, good little practice for your kiddos. And there, I filled it in. This is the outline, this is filling in, and you can keep going as many ways as you want. Maybe you'll start with the outline and then fill in with another color. So great practice for your kids with the vocabulary and shapes. And we know shapes not only lead to vocabulary for the words, sight words, but they also, you know, are a little bit beginning math. So you're already preparing them for the next level of learning. And there you go, another outline. Not so perfect, but I still love it. They can make it flat, make it more rounded, be as creative as they want. And with it being Play-Doh, this allows them to do it over and over as many times as they need to practice. So a wonderful tool. It goes with my book. So if you definitely want to pick up a copy and see what other activities, ideas I have in here, you can grab it. Check the link below. I'm available on Amazon. And you know, you can find this anywhere. You don't have to specifically use Play-Doh, but I do love it. The smell from I was a little kid, as well as the texture of the Play-Doh. It works really well. And this vacuum seal is really good. When I push it down, it really keeps it tight so it doesn't dry out, and it can use it for a long time. So I'll post a link to where I got it online, and that'll be also below. If you have any questions or comments, please message me, post it below. I am wonderful at responding, and I hope you have a great and fun activity day. Bye.